everybody. I wanted to just share with you real quick. I just completed the Unseller Selling training class, and it was absolutely phenomenal. I am hoping that you too will get so much out of this class as I have done for myself. I've been selling for many years. However, I can honestly say that it definitely gave me something to reflect back on to improve upon what I am actually doing. So if I were you, I would get in the room with Miss Shay and let her help you take your sales to the next level.